I'm AWO2 Sullivan. My job here is I'm the Naval Aviation Water Survival Training Instructor. Basically, my job is to run the pool deck, train students, get them through all these evolutions, and get ready to go out there and do God's work. So today was an ACR3 class. That's a refresher, Aircrew Class 3, which is helicopters, rotary wing, including the V-22. And basically, these guys have been through this course before. They're required to come back through every 4 years to refresh that training. And this was their 4-year requal. We got them pushed through, refreshed everything they haven't done in a while, got them feeling comfortable in the water again, and getting ready to go back out there and do their mission. I tell everyone who comes through here, you have the physical ability to be here. You wouldn't be at this point in your military career if you did not have the physical ability. It's the mental part. I'd say 85% of what they're going to do when they step out on this pool deck is mental. And that's the biggest hurdle that they have to get past. It's not getting through the dunker or being able to swim and all that flight gear. It's being able to trust themselves that they can do it. And that's one of the things we're here to do, is give them the confidence in themselves and the confidence in their equipment that should they find themselves in that worst day, that worst case scenario, they will make it out alive. Absolutely love my job, a lot of fun. Aircrew myself, so I've been through this training. I see how it applies to the real world. I've never actually had to use the training myself, but I see why it's very important. So I was pretty excited to be able to come here and give that back to the fleet, training Marines, sailors, Army, Air Force, training everybody, and giving them that training, giving them that confidence so that they can go out there and complete their mission and ultimately at the end of the day make it home to their families. I'm training something that I hope everybody walks out of here and never has to use it. It's extremely valuable training, but as I mentioned, I hope they never have to do any of this. But real world, if it comes to it, muscle memory will kick in, they'll get through that situation, they'll get out of there, they'll go home and they'll see their family at the end of the day.